easy go.
Hello everyone, my name is Sari Bansal. Today we will understand exercise 1.3, question 6 to question 9. So let's begin. Question number 6 is, look at several examples of rational numbers in the form p upon q. Q is not equal to 0, where p and q are integers with no common factors other than 1 and having terminating decimal representations. Expansion. Can you guess what property Q must satisfy? So let's take an example first. So we take 7 upon 8. The common factors of 7 upon 8 is 1. We can write 8 as 2 की power 3. Now multiply 5 की power 3 into 2 की power 3 and 7. So the answer is 875 upon 1000. Okay? This is the decimal expansion of 7 upon 8. Now second example is 4 upon 25. We can write 25 as 5 की power 2. Okay? Now multiply 5 की power 2 and 4 into 2 की power 2. So what's the answer is? 16 upon 100. 0.16. So 0.16 is the decimal expansion of 4 upon 25. What we can observe that the Q must satisfy only the powers of 2 or the powers of 5 or both. So the property is Q have only powers of 2 or powers of 5 or both. Okay, now coming to the seventh question. So the question number 4 is, write 3 numbers whose decimal expansions are non-terminating, non-recurring. So, examples of non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansions are, first one is 0.01, 001, 0001 last. Okay. Now second is 0.202, 02, 0002, 0002. And third one is 0.003, 0003, 00003. Okay. Remember the digits are not as same. Okay. Here are 2 zeros. Now here is 3. Now here is 4. Okay. Now coming to the 8th question. So the question number 8 is, find 3 different irrational numbers between the rational numbers 5 upon 7 and 9 upon 11. So first find the irrational numbers of 5 upon 7. If you have remember, we have done this in question number 2. So 5 into 0.142857. And the answer is 0.714285. Okay. Now find the irrational number of 9 upon 11. Let's divide it. Now 9 is coming again as the dividend. So this is 0.81. Okay. Now write the three different irrational numbers. Irrational numbers between rational numbers five upon 7 and 9 upon 11 are, so the first one is 0.750. Okay, and 7.730. Second is 0.7670, 76700, 76700. Okay. Now third one is 0.80, 800, 8000, 8000. Okay. So this is the question number 8. Now coming to the question number 9. So the question number 9 is, classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. So the first part is 23 root. So it is irrational because 23 is the prime number and its root is irrational. Now coming to the B part. 225 root is equal to 15. You can multiply also. The answer is 225. Okay. So this is rational. Now coming to the third part. 0.3796. We can write it like this also. So this is rational number. Okay. Now coming to the B part. 7.478478. Okay. This is also rational. You are thinking it is like irrational, but it is non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion. So it is also rational. Now this is irrational because 10100, then 1000, 10000. So here our digits are changing. They are repeating but changing digits. So it is irrational. I hope you all understand the question number 6 to question number 9. Thank you for seeing this video.
With